All right, so in this training video, I want to show you how I use AI tool and promote OfferLab, okay? And in just 4 days, we brought in $1,800, okay? Without me selling anything in DM. And also, this is just one of the methods I will be sharing on my Saturday coaching call, okay? So right now, you have a chance to get my super bonus package, okay? I'll put it in the comment section down below. So basically, when you get your OfferLab free account and also upgrade to their certification program, you can get the entire super bonus package, okay? Including this tool from my partner, Austin, okay? Amazing tool. So before I jump in, show you the strategy, right? You guys all can copy this, okay? Super easy. But before I jump in, using this tool, I want to show you a strategy called Facebook Common Thread, okay? So regardless what you want to sell, if you are growing your business on Facebook and you haven't been doing Facebook Common Thread, then you need to pay attention to this video, okay? So let me just show you some of my backend data right here. 886,000 views in the last 28 days, okay? Getting close to my first million views. Let me show you the growth, okay? Let's start from 2025 January. So you guys can see that your business can literally change within very short period of time, okay? So today, September 4th, if you implement the right strategy. So this is my basically this year, my Facebook profile growth, right? You can see I got total 1.7 million views this entire 8 months, but 800,000 views, 880,000 views came in the last 28 days, right? So you can see this was before I implemented this Facebook Common Thread, okay? FCT, Facebook Common Thread strategy. After I implemented, this is boom, my Facebook profile blew up, okay? Non-stop leads and sales at the back end. And doing this, you don't need to show your face. No face, you don't need to run any ads. Completely free method, okay? Not just me, Nathan, my partner, is crushing it as well, right? And also loads of our students. For example, Carlos, right? This is his Facebook growth. You can see this spike, boom, like a rocket after he implemented this method, right? Another one, right? You can see Steffi, my teammate, 2.1 million views in the last 28 days. You see this spike, boom, like that. 4,500 new followers. Just convert 1% of these new followers. You can imagine how much money Steffi can make, okay? All right, so how can you do the same? And how can you use this to sell OfferLab, to make that free money, and also sell your other offers? So let's jump right in, okay? So I'm gonna use this Austin, his AI thread master, okay? This is AI thread generator. There are so many features in here that you guys can use, because a lot of people, the challenge they are dealing with is they spend too much time trying to write their posts, and their post doesn't convert, okay? So we use this tool. When you go to, let's say I go to thread writer, okay? Here are other templates that you guys can use, so you can write all kinds of different Facebook posts. Not only that, you can also, we already done the research for you, okay? All these Facebook groups that you can pick and choose and join and share your posts to bring in massive amount of traffic to your business, okay? And here are the images that you guys can take and post, right? So let me just jump right in, okay? Videos to create, use AI to create faceless videos. But when you check comment down below, see the super bonus package, right? When you pick up your free OfferLab account and also upgrade to their certification program, you also gonna get Syllabi software 6 months free without you actually paying for it, okay? So just check my comments, see the bonus package. If you want it, just comment super bonus down below, then I'll get back to you, okay? So let's go to thread writer. Very easy to use, okay? Enter your topic. Here you can write any topic you want, okay? Here you can define your writing style and also call to action. I'm gonna actually do some call to action, product promotion, okay? I'm gonna do both. Then, okay, we'll come back to here later. I'm gonna select a topic. If you don't know, I'm just gonna do content creation. How about that? Content creation. All right, so content creation tools. Now we need to just fill out the CTA. You can have all kinds of different CTA. You can also do your own custom CTA, okay? But today I'm just gonna use product promotion. Product name, we want to promote OfferLab, right? To promote OfferLab is very simple. Just do what I'm doing, okay? Give away free accounts. Give away free accounts. For people who upgrade to get the certification program through me, not only you get the super bonus package, you can also use that super bonus package that you see in the comments as your own, Okay, so that will help you make a lot of sales without you creating any bonus by yourself. So now let's fill this up. 1 second, product name, this one. Product description, I'm just gonna throw some random copy I have in here. Okay, keep all the commissions without subscription. And OfferLab is totally free. Okay, I also put the OfferLab link in the comments. Even if you don't upgrade to make more money, you can use OfferLab completely for free. All right, giving out this $0 app and earn overrides on other people's sales. Okay, so here, free today. Product link, I'm gonna put my link in here. Okay, that's it. Then generate. I don't even need to think. I only need to think what offer I want to sell. That's it, right? Okay, so here is one type of format. I do need to change the format, okay? Because output format, you can see right here. Check this out. You can do Twitter post. We're gonna do thread, Meta, okay, for Facebook. You also can do regular Facebook post. You can write post for your LinkedIn profile. You can use it to do Instagram carousel. You can also use it to write your newsletter, okay? I forgot to select this one, so we're gonna use threads, Meta. Then we're gonna run it again. All right, cool, that's it. Stop wasting hours on content creation. These 7 tools are game changers for professionals, okay? So let me see if I can show you here. All right, so now it's very simple. I just put the post like this. These 7 tools are game changer for professionals. I like to use emoji pointing down below. Boom, boom. Next, I'm gonna post it. All right, now I grab next comment, number 1. Then we pile up the value in the comments, right? Number 1, this is saving me so much time. Number 2, and my audience receive tremendous amount of value. All done by AI, okay? Comment number 3, comment number 3, comment number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, right? And additional comment. Cool. So let's say I just finished posting all the comments. Now I need to drop CTA. That's it. The last one. Once you can do this, your conversion rate will be high because people watch your content, receive value, then they see your call to action. Okay? Just like that. Okay? Just by doing that, giving away free app, you will be making money already.